We on? Oh no. Trying to calm down, you know what I'm saying? It's, I need a light. You know what I'm saying? This is a... This is some real shit for me, Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Almost wasn't able to, you know what I'm saying, broadcast this shit to y'all, man, you know, because, almost just got fucking ate by a bird. There, said it. And the cat, he comes in here, and he's got a whole fucking bird, and it's alive. Where do you get a whole bird in a closed-off house in this iced-out-ass wintertime? You know what I'm saying? How does this work, cat? Now the bird's in my window here. Hold on. If you look close enough, you can see. Oh, shit. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, I'm trying to let you out, man. Hey, hey, whoa, hey, whoa. Oh, shit. Hey, look at this motherfucker right here. God damn it. And he's got the pecker thing on his face, man. This motherfucker's a problem, man. Hold on. We need some other shit. Hold on, man. I need to get... Put this shit on so he can't peck me. I've seen in the movies, they peck a motherfucker with the... You go and hit me with the pecker. Oh, no! Whoa, shit! He's in here. Hold on. I'm about to open this thing up right here. There's this thing. Hold on. Here we go. Opens up. Hey, get out. This motherfucker right here got to get out. Get out. There you go. Get out. Look, oh, shit. Look, he don't want to get out. See, if I hit him with the heat, I'm going to be the bad guy. The neighbors is up there. Shit. Oh, get this out. Go. Get out. Go that way. Oh, shit. God damn it. This motherfucker is war out here. Oh, shit. Look, go. This shit is crazy. Ah, man. Open more windows. We need more windows. Is he gone? He ain't gone. He got his mouth open. What the hell are you trying to say to me, man? Whoa! Get out. There he goes. He's out. Oh, shit. He's out. Whoa. Hey, that was intense. Shit. Whew. It's the Mr. Bailey Babe Show. Hey. No, I wasn't scared. I do that shit all the time. Do that shit all the time. You ain't kick these numbskulls out of young punks. Till the next time. Signing off.